Hello, my name is Marshall Ross, and this is my Promenade Tech Week 8 front-end assignment for JavaScript. And this week we had to create a menu. What I did here is I created a app that will allow us to order pizzas. And we wanted it to contain two classes and at least one array. And the way that I accomplished this is we got our class pizza. It's going to run a constructor where we're going to add, and then this ingredients, and then we're adding ingredients to an array. And then when we return it, it's going to say the name of the pizza and it contains these ingredients, which are going to be joined by a comma and a space. And then we've got our order class, which will contain the pizzas in an array. So anytime we add a pizza, it goes, if it's an instance of the pizza class, we're going to push it to the array. And if not, we'll get an error that you can only order pizza. Please try again. And then we are going to return the name has this many pizzas. And then here we've got our menu, which will be another constructor where we can, it's going to display the orders, and then we've got our ingredients list. But whenever we run this, we're going to have our greeting, welcome to Promenade Pizza, let's build a pizza. And then we've got the menu options, which will be the switch case, and we've got our cases and our selection. And then there's an alert for goodbye if we were to leave. And now whenever we run the options, we're going to set them equal to such, and then a prompt to create a pizza or delete a pizza if we were to view order. When we display our orders, this is going to happen. We're going to get our string to display, and then everything gets concatenated with our for loop. And when we create an order, we will have where it's going to ask us to enter a name, and then it's going to push that to the order. And then viewing the orders, go. Let's see. So when we view the order, after all of this happens, this is telling us that whatever we do is going to get added to the pizzas array. And it is going to run our switch case to create a pizza or delete a pizza eventually. And then, so here is really that's where we're actually creating and deleting a pizza. And then we have an option to delete the order, create, and we've got our ingredients and the option to delete each pizza. And now let's look at that in practice. So welcome to Promenade Pizza. Let's build a pizza. Okay. It's going to give us our options to exit, create a new order, view order, delete order, or display all. We're going to, in this case, we're going to create a new order. We will call it lunch. To view our order, let's create a new pizza. We'll call it pepperoni. And let's add cheese and pepperoni to our order, to our pizza, and we'll see that here. We've got pepperoni pizza, which contains cheese and pepperoni. And now we're going to go back. Let's create another one. Let's call it Supreme, and let's add all of the toppings. And we'll see that here. Our Supreme pizza contains all of the toppings. And now let's test what happens if we delete it. If we now go back to view the order, it'll be gone. And now let's test if we delete the order. Well, here, let's display all. Okay, let's delete our order. Now, if we go to view order and we go to type that in, it's just going to kick us back because there are no orders, and until there is one, that's what's going to happen. Now let's go to display all orders. We get a blank page because there are no orders. And if we exit, we get goodbye. And that is it. That is our Promenade Tech Week 8 assignment.